We are developing plans to give councils the power to charge a visitor levy on overnight stays in their local area. Visitors will be supporting the destinations they enjoy by making a contribution to the local community. It will raise new money for sustainable tourism, preserving the beauty of Wales for future generations. From cleaning beaches to maintaining parks, each local authority will decide how the revenues are used to develop the local visitor economy. We want to foster a sense of shared responsibility between residents and visitors to make sure Wales continues to be a great place to visit. Visitor levies are common in holiday destinations around the world. From USA to Europe, Asia and New Zealand, many of us would have paid this while on holiday without noticing. There is no levy currently in place. Legislation will be put to the Senedd for consideration within this government term. We estimate that 2027 is the earliest point at which a visitor levy could be operating in Wales. Over the coming years, we will work with our partners to design a levy that is right for Wales.